Everyone, Radko Tutor explaining. In this video, we are going to look at this question, which is coming from Science Paper 2 2020 Final Examination for Internal Exam. So we are answering our question number B2, which says a car has a mass of 900 kg. It accelerates from rest at a rate of 1.5 meters per second squared. So meaning that in this case we are given our data there is the acceleration, which is given to be 1.2 meters per second squared. Then we are also given the mass, which is given to be 900 kg or kilograms. The first question says, calculate the time taken to reach a velocity of 30 meters per second. Now, how do you calculate the time when you are given the acceleration and also the speed at which the car was starting at? So we are told that the speed was starting to accelerate from rest. So it started from rest, and then it reached the velocity of 30 meters per second, like that. Now the question is, find the time taken to reach the velocity of 30 meters per second. So here you just need to start by writing the formula for time or acceleration. Since we are given acceleration here, meaning that we're supposed to start by writing the formula for acceleration, which is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Then we replace. We know that our acceleration is given to be 1.2, our final velocity is given to be 30, and our initial velocity is given to be rest, which is a 0. So let's replace. So by doing so, we are going to say acceleration is equal to, what's our final velocity? So in this case, our acceleration, we are going to put the one which is given, which is 1.2. So we put acceleration is 1.2 is equal to final velocity is given to be 30 in the question, minus initial velocity is the rest, which is 0, over the time which we are getting. Then from here, what we're going to do is we say 1.2 is equal to 30 minus 0 is 30 over t. Now for you to get this t, you say over 1 and cross multiply, which is 1.2 times t is 1.2t is equal to 30. Now how can you get the value of t? To get the value of t, you can simply just divide by 1.2 here, you divide by 1.2 there, meaning that the value of t will be equal to 30 divided by 1.2 is a 25. So we're going to get a 25 seconds, like that. That's how you get the time if you are given the acceleration and the speed at which the car reached. All right. So simply just use the formula for acceleration, which is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. Then you come here and write your answer to say, therefore, my time was 25. It was 25 seconds. Okay, let me just remove this. So 25 seconds, like that. So we say t is equal to 25 seconds. All right. Then from there, you need to go to question B. Question B saying find or calculate the force required to accelerate the car at the rate of 1.2 meters per second. Now, how do you calculate the force of the car? So for you to calculate the force of the car, use the formula, which is force is equal to mass times acceleration. Our force is then going to be, what is the mass? Mass is given to be 900 kg. So you get that which is 900, then times acceleration is given to be 1.2. So you put 1.2 like that. Then this is going to be 900 times 1.2. So 900 times 1.2, we are going to get 1080. So we are going to get 1080. Then you don't forget to put your units. So in this case, force is measured in newtons, so you need to put n there. All right, so basically that's how you calculate the force when acceleration and the mass are all given. So you come here to say my force is equal to 1080 newtons. All right, that's how you get to solve these questions. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Please don't forget to follow my page for more tutorials on grade 12 exam.